In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Notion. So, if you've been grappling with the challenge of getting your text perfectly aligned right in the middle of your Notion page, you're in the right place. Notion is an extraordinary tool for notes and organization. But when it comes to text alignment, you might find that the standard options are somewhat limited. Fortunately, we've got a fantastic method using the math equation block, which offers a simple yet effective solution. To start, open your Notion page where you want to center your text. First, you'll type the command /equation. As you begin typing, you'll see several options pop up. So go ahead and select Block Equation. This action will insert an equation block directly onto your page. And here's where the magic begins. Inside this newly created math block, you can type your desired text. You'll notice almost immediately that the text inside this block is centered by default, no matter the width or the layout of your page. It's pretty neat because it effortlessly keeps your text aligned center without a hassle. Now, while simply centering text might be your main goal, you can also take advantage of additional formatting options to spruce things up. This is where Notion's support for KTeX, a special math formatting language, becomes incredibly handy. With KTeX, you can customize the appearance of your text like never before. For example, you can adjust the font size, play around with font color, add a background color, or add styles like underlining and italicizing. You can even switch up the font style to sans serif, giving your text a more modern look. Additionally, if you're presenting on a larger screen or simply prefer larger text, resizing to extra large is entirely possible. Imagine you want your text in a sophisticated brown, set against a vibrant blue background, underlined, italicized, and in an extra large sans serif font. With the use of KTeX commands inside your equation block, achieving this level of precision is entirely feasible. So, there you have it. The math equation block isn't merely a workaround for centering text in Notion. It grants you advanced styling control, allowing you to create beautifully formatted presentations directly within your notes. With these steps, you can ensure that your text remains perfectly centered and styled to fit your unique needs, all within the flexible and user-friendly environment that Notion provides. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, feel free to leave comments or ask questions if you need further clarification. Happy Notioning!